Good morning, children. Today we will start again with theme 7, measurement. Now, today in this chapter we will do about area. We have done about perimeter earlier in this lesson. Now, today we will start with area. Now, before we go on to the area, what do you mean by area? How will you define an area? Okay. So, area can be defined like it is, if you see in the figure, I have drawn a triangle, I have drawn a square, I have drawn a circle, I have drawn a rectangle, and inside it I have shaded it. If you see it is shaded, that shaded portion inside a particular figure is what the area is. Okay? If you see all the figures I have shaded with a line, so that shaded portion, okay, will be the area. What does it mean? That if I need to define the area, it means area of a closed plane figure is the amount of surface enclosed. Enclosed means जो उसके अंदर है, okay? Enclosed within its boundary. So that is what you called as the area. Any amount of surface which is inside the boundary of a closed figure is what you can call it as the area. Okay, so this is what I have shown in the figure which I have drawn. I have drawn a triangle, a square, a circle and a rectangle, and I have shaded the portion which is inside the closed figure. Okay, it is enclosed within its boundary. वो जो 4 lines हैं या 3 lines हैं या वो गोला है उसके अंदर है. Okay, so that portion, that surface becomes the area of the figure. I hope it must be clear what an area is. Okay, now like we measure perimeter, you have already seen that when we were doing the perimeter questions, we were writing a certain unit with the perimeter. We were writing centimeter or meter. Okay, so the same way area also has got a standard unit which is maybe a centimeter square or a centimeter or a meter square. Okay, so I can say the standard unit generally used for measuring the area is square centimeter or square meter. Like in the perimeter we used to write meter, centimeter, only a single unit, okay, meter or centimeter. But now when we will do the area, we will write centimeter square or meter square. So if you see, I have written centimeter square. I have written in brackets centimeter and I have written 2 on top of that. Okay, so that is called as centimeter square. जो ऊपर लिखा हुआ है ना सेंटीमीटर 2 लिखा हुआ है उसको कहते हैं हम लोग, उसको पढ़ते हैं सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इन द सेम वे इफ आई राइट 2 raised to the power of 2 on top of meter, it will be called as meter square. Okay, so when we will write the units after solving the questions of area, we will write the unit in this form only, like centimeter raised to the power of 2 or meter raised to the power of 2, which we call as centimeter square and meter square. Okay, we will never write the full spelling of square centimeter. If you see, I have written it over there, square centimeter, and the spelling S-Q-U-A-R-E square and C-E-N-T-I-M-E-T-R-E centimeter. We will never write like this when we will solve the questions. We will always write the short form of square centimeter and square meter, which is centimeter square and meter square. Okay, जब हम लोग उसको स्पेलिंग में लिखेंगे तो उसको स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर लिखेंगे, पर जब उसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, जब सेम वे मीटर स्क्वायर को क्या करेंगे, जब स्पेलिंग में लिखेंगे तो हम लोग उसको बोलेंगे स्क्वायर मीटर. ओके, बट जब शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो उसको पढ़ेंगे मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, आई होप दिस unit of area is clear to you. So this is the general standard unit for measuring the area. Apart from this, if it is a kilometer square, it can be again the same way. You will write kilometer, km, and you will write upar 2 raised to the power of 2. So it can be a kilometer square. If the unit is given in millimeter, again the unit will be written as millimeter square. That means जब हम लोग एरिया की यूनिट लिखते हैं तो हमेशा कोई भी यूनिट हो, चाहे वो किलोमीटर हो, चाहे वो मीटर हो, चाहे वो मिलीमीटर हो, चाहे वो सेंटीमीटर हो, हर यूनिट के ऊपर वो 2 जो लगा हुआ है उसको लगाते हैं. दैट इज़ व्हाट यू कॉल एज raised to the power of 2. Meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square, millimeter square. And why do we write 2 on top of it? Because we multiply centimeter into centimeter. When we will do about the formulas of area of rectangle and area of square, I will explain you that why do we write the unit like this. Because we always multiply length into breadth or side into side. So we are multiplying 2 numbers together. That is why we are writing it raised to the power of 2. Okay, so just a quick revision again. When we describe about the area, we say that it is the amount of surface enclosed within its boundary. That means amount of space, what all space is enclosed, what all space is coming inside the boundary, it is called as the area. Okay, and second important thing that you need to remember is that the standard unit for measuring your area is centimeter square or meter square. But apart from centimeter square and meter square, you can even have millimeter square, kilometer square, and any other unit. Okay, what you need to remember and what is important about this is that you have to write raised to the power of 2 on the top of the unit, which shows that you are multiplying the length with the breadth, or you are multiplying the side with the side, telling you that we are multiplying 2 numbers and 2 units. That is why it is written as raised to the power of 2, and we read it as centimeter square or meter square. Okay, please revise it one more time what I have explained you so that you understand it better.